Hi everyone, welcome to Ameerpet Technologies. This is Srinivas. See, in this video, what I'm going to explain, we are providing Python at just 499 rupees. Okay, so because of a Republic Day offer, we are providing Python. So not only Python, it's Python with the complete SQL concepts we are providing at just 499 rupees, and it is completely online mode. Is online mode, and here it is the Indian timings IST. Starts at 4 p.m. Starts at 4 p.m. every day. Every day, 1 hour session will be present. 1 hour session. Most of the people thinking that at 499, what are the topics you will cover? See, I'll show you one documentation. The documentation end to end, because I will share the documentation to you. In that document, what all the concepts which are present, each and every concept will be covered in this online mode class. See, here it is. Today, Python is very, very important to all the students, those who are attending on-campus interviews as well as off-campus interviews. The next one, those who are already working employees, and those who are attending other classes like a not Java full stack, .NET full stack, data science course, machine learning course, artificial intelligence course, any Google cloud platform like a cloud related courses, Azure DevOps, Google cloud platform, right? Anyone can join, and Java, .NET and UI students also can attend this Python batch, because right, Python and SQL, whenever you introduce this Python and SQL into your resume, it will give more weight to your resume. So as it is just 499 rupees, please attend the classes without missing. Right, for registration, just contact 911 955 6789. Either call or just drop a message, so that we will take care of you. The registration process and everything. We are providing recordings, lifetime recordings we are providing. As soon as the class completed, the class will be uploaded and the link will be shared to you. The folder link we will share one time. So as soon as the class ends, we will upload the recording into the folder, so easily you can access every day. And the documentation also like this. Let me show you the documentation, what all the concepts we are going to cover, because most of the students getting confusion from the basic introduction to Python, variables, control statements, input, all these things we are going to cover, right? Even GUI also, regular expressions, database connectivity with MySQL, right? All data structures related modules, collections, list, tuple, set, dictionary, file handling, lambda expression, right? Easy way of filtering the data, processing the data, pandas, numpy, matplot, garbage collection, closures and decorators, different modules, daytime calendar module. Every single thing will be covered. And how the way we cover also I'll explain. Not a simple thing. We are providing the worksheets also for practicing. Here it is. Once I explain the arithmetic operators, the worksheet where you need to practice, the worksheets also we are providing instant practice. Okay. So please don't miss this opportunity, right? Everyone, please attend. Thank you all.